optic and paraventricular nuclei of the hypothalamus. Here is the paraventricular nucleus of the hypothalamus. Okay, next coming to the point, these neurohormones are antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin. Okay, the precursors of antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin are long peptides. It contains long peptides. They are synthesized in hypothalamus. These antidiuretic hormone and oxytocin are synthesized in hypothalamus. Okay, it is cleaved into the active molecule and then transported to posterior pituitary. These antidiuretic hormones and oxytocin are cleaved into the posterior pituitary. Okay, cleaved into the active molecule and then transported to the these are cleaved into the active molecules and then transported to the posterior pituitary. Okay, and next coming to the point, and then released to bloodstream by exocytocin. Okay, finally it is released to bloodstream by exocytocin. Okay, actually the hypothalamus main function is as well. Actually its main function is being to maintain the homeostasis of the body. Okay, this homeostasis means nothing but it is ability to maintain the relatively stable internal state that persists despite the changes in the body. Okay, inside the body. Example, all living organisms from plants to puppies, okay, animals to people, okay, must regulate their internal environment to process energy and ultimately survive. Okay, this hypothalamus is considered to be the link structure between the nervous system and endocrine system. Okay, their plasma has half-life and is very short, that is 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, the plasma half-life is very short, 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, next coming to the pituitary gland. Okay, next let us discuss about pituitary gland, where it is located. It is located down to the hypothalamus. It contains posterior and anterior pituitary glands. Okay, see here, this is the pituitary glands. These are anterior pituitary glands and posterior pituitary glands. It is also called as hypophysis and or underground. Okay, దీన్ని hypophysis అని అంటాం, లేదంటే దాన్ని underground అంటాం. ఎందుకంటే undergrowth అని అంటాం because of its location below the brain as an undergrowth. దాని యొక్క లొకేషన్ అనేది బ్రెయిన్ కి కింద ఉంటుంది యాజ్ అన్ అండర్ గ్రౌత్ కింద, తక్కువ గ్రోత్ ఉంటుంది, చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది. The whole gland is located within a cellular turica. The whole gland ని ఎక్కడ లొకేట్ అయి ఉందంటే వితిన్ ఏ సెల్లార్ ట్యూరికా. ఇది దీని లోపల సెల్లార్ ట్యూరికా లోపలే ఈ మొత్తం ఈ పిట్యూటరీ గ్లాండ్ అనేది లొకేట్ అయి ఉందన్నమాట. The human pituitary is reddish grey oral structure. The human pituitary అనేది రెడ్డిష్ గ్రే కలర్ లో ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ చూపించినట్టు oral structure ఉంటుంది, and measured about 10 millimeters. The pituitary gland is measured about 10 millimeters diameter and weighing about 1 gram. Its pituitary gland is 1 gram in weight. Okay, this whole pituitary gland. Okay, pituitary gland consists of two distinct parts. Okay, anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary also known as adenohypophysis, whereas posterior pituitary is known as neurohypophysis. Okay, next coming to the point, anterior pituitary. Okay, let's discuss about anterior pituitary, nothing but adenohypophysis. Okay, anterior pituitary is truly the master endocrine organ. This anterior pituitary is earlier we discussed. It plays a major role in hypothalamus also because it is used to release the growth hormones. Okay, this anterior pituitary is truly the master endocrine organ. Okay, it produces several tropic hormones that influences other endocrine gland and organs directly or indirectly. Okay, it produces several tropic hormones like corticotropic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyrotropin hormone, as earlier we discussed in the hypothalamus. Okay, that influences other endocrine glands and organs either directly or indirectly. Let us discuss about tropic hormone or tropin. Okay, this tropic hormone or tropin is the one which influences the activities of other endocrine glands. It influences the activities of other endocrine glands. Okay, see here. Okay, the important tropic hormones are adrenocorticotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone. See here, I will show you. This is the follicle stimulating hormone. This is the thyroid luteinizing hormone, and this is the thyroid stimulating hormone. This is the adrenocorticotropic hormone. This is the antidiuretic hormone. This is the growth hormone which inhibits the growth. Okay, these are the hormones which are important. Okay, the hormones are of hypophysis are broadly classified into three groups. Okay, growth hormone prolactin group, glycoprotein hormone, and pro-opiomelanocortin peptide family. Pro-opiomelanocortin peptide family. Okay, let us discuss about the growth hormone prolactin group. Okay. Mm, the growth hormone and prolactin are protein hormones with many similarities in their structure. Growth hormone and prolactin are hormones with many similarities. They have many similarities. These both have, okay, in their structure. దాని యొక్క structure లో many similarities ఉన్నాయి. This is the growth hormone structure and this is the prolactin hormone structure. Okay, prolactin protein. Okay, protein structures. Okay, it is believed that these hormones have come in existence by duplication of a single ancestral gene. Okay, it is believed that these hormones have come in existence by duplication of a single ancestral gene. Okay, let us discuss about growth hormone. Growth hormone is synthesized and released from somatotroph cells, mainly influence the growth and metabolism of growth hormones is called as somatotropin. Okay, growth hormone is synthesized and released from somatotroph cells. These are synthesized and released from somatotroph cells, mainly influence the growth and metabolism. Growth hormones is called metabolism of growth hormones is also called as somatotropin. Okay, next let us discuss about the chemistry of growth hormone. Okay, growth hormone from all mammalian species consists of a single polypeptide chain with molecular weight of about 21,500. Okay, growth hormone from all mammalian species consists of a single polypeptide chain. It has a only single polypeptide chain with molecular weight of about 21,500. Okay, it consists of 191 amino acids. These are two disulfide bridges present between the adjacent cysteine residues. Okay, these are two disulfide bridges. It contains two disulfide bridges which are present between the adjacent cysteine residues. Okay, that means 53 to 161 and 52 to 181. Okay, I will show you the structures later. Okay. Okay, as I said earlier, I will show you the diagram. It is, see here, these are growth hormone from all mammalian species consists of a single polypeptide chain. It's a single polypeptide chain with molecular weight about 21,500. Okay, it consists of 191 amino acids. These are two sulfide bond bridges. It contains two sulfide bridges which are present between the adjacent cysteine residues. It contains two sulfide bridges. These two sulfide bridges are present between two cysteine bridges. Okay, cysteine residues. That means 53 to 161. In between 53 to 161 amino acids and in between 52 to 181 amino acids. Okay. Let's discuss about the regulation of growth hormone. Its stimulation is by growth hormone releasing hormone. Growth hormone release inhibited by growth hormone release inhibiting hormone. Okay, growth hormone release is inhibited by growth hormone releasing hormone. Okay. Mm. Okay, let us discuss about biochemical functions of uh, see, okay, biochemical functions of growth hormone. Growth hormones promotes growth and the normal metabolism. This growth hormone promotes the growth and normal metabolism. Okay, normal metabolism includes carbohydrates metabolism, lipid metabolism, protein metabolism, etc. in the body. Okay, growth hormones promotes growth and the normal metabolism in the body. Growth hormone again has two major effects: effects on growth and effects on metabolism. Okay, let us discuss about effects on growth. If growth hormones are essential for growth, the growth hormones related effects are mediated through insulin. These growth hormones related effects are mediated through insulin like growth factor. Insulin like growth factor. This is also known as somatomedin C produced by liver. It is also known as somatomedin C produced by liver. Okay. Next, coming to the point, growth hormones affects mainly on bone. The growth hormone mainly affects the bone. Okay. Before the union of epiphyseal cartilage, presence of growth hormone. See here, I will show you epiphyseal cartilage. Okay, in this it's not there. Okay, let us discuss about epiphyseal. The growth hormone affects mainly on bone. Before the union of epiphyseal cartilage, mm, ఈ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ అనేది అదే ఎపిఫైషియల్ కార్టిలేజ్ తో కలవక ముందు ద ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్రోత్ ఇంక్రీజెస్ ద లాంగిట్యూడనల్ లెంగ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద బోన్. ఈ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే బోన్ యొక్క లాంగిట్యూడనల్ లెంగ్త్ ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ ద యూనియన్ ఆఫ్ ఎపిఫైషియల్ కార్టిలేజ్ there can be no further growth in length. Okay, ఈ ఈ ఎపిఫేషియల్ కార్టిలేజ్ అనేది యూనియన్ కలవక ముందు గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది అన్నమాట దాని యొక్క బోన్ యొక్క లెంత్ ని. ఏ ఈ ఇవి ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ ఎపిఫైషియల్ కార్టిలేజ్ అనేది కలిసిందో అప్పుడు ఫర్దర్ గ్రోత్ అనేది జరగదన్నమాట. ఓకే, growth hormone promotes the retention of calcium and phosphate, which helps in classification or osteogenesis. Osteogenesis means nothing but bone formation. Okay, it enhances the incorporation and hydroxylation of proline in mixture coalesce incorporation of amines into glucosamine glycon of cartilage. Okay. Next, coming to the point, effects on soft tissue. Okay, growth hormone affects on soft tissues. Okay, growth hormone promotes mitosis, and thus the number of cells increases in many organs. Okay, and organs and tissues. This growth hormone promotes further in mitosis, and thus the number of cells increases in many organs and tissues. Okay, growth hormone causes growth of the cartilaginous tissues, muscles, and cartilage. As a result, growth hormone action the muscle grow in bulk. Okay, ఇది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ కాజెస్ గ్రోత్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్టిలేజినస్ టిష్యూ. దాని యొక్క గ్రోత్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్టిలేజినస్ టిష్యూ గ్రో అయ్యడానికి గ్రోత్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. మజిల్స్ అండ్ కార్టిలేజ్ అనమాట. ఈ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ వల్ల కార్టిలేజస్ టిష్యూ, మజిల్స్ అండ్ కార్టిలేజ్ అనేది ఫర్దర్ గా గ్రో అవ్వదు అనమాట. యాజ్ రిజల్ట్ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ యాక్షన్ ద మజిల్ గ్రో ఇన్ బల్క్. దీని వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మజిల్స్ ని బల్క్ గా గ్రో చేసేస్తుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆన్ మెటబాలిజం. గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆన్ all the metabolic pathways, like carbohydrate metabolic pathway, lipid and protein, etc., nucleotide, etc. Okay. Locations: growth hormone enhances milk production in lactating animals. Growth hormone acts like enhanced action referred, okay, to as lactating animal to as this is called prolactin effect. Okay, growth hormone enhances milk production in lactating animals to as this is called prolactin effect. Okay, next, effects on carbohydrate metabolism. Let us discuss about the effects on carbohydrate metabolism, lipid metabolism, and mineral metabolism. Okay, growth hormone is antagonistic to insulin and causes hyperglycemia. Growth hormone అనేది antagonist అన్నమాట. To what means to insulin and causes hyperglycemia disease. Okay. Growth hormone increases gluconeogenesis, decreases the glucose utilization, impairs glycolysis, and reduces the tissue uptake of glucose. Okay. ఈ గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే గ్లూకోనియోజెన్సిస్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తుంది, గ్లూకోజ్ యూటిలైజేషన్ తగ్గించేస్తుంది, గ్లైకాలసిస్ ని ఇంపైర్ చేసేస్తుంది, టిష్యూ అప్టేక్ ఆఫ్ గ్లైకోస్, it reduces the tissue uptake of glycolysis. Okay. Next, coming to the point, um, this it increases liver glycogen, which is called as glycostatic effect, and also increase the muscle and cardiac glycogen level by reducing glycolysis. ఇదేం చేస్తుందంటే increases liver glycogen, which is called as glycostatic effect, and also increase the muscle and cardiac glycogen level by reducing glycolysis. Okay. Effects on lipid metabolism. Growth hormone promotes lipolysis in the adipose tissue. This In this lipid metabolism, the growth hormone promotes lipolysis. That means breakage of lipids. Okay, in the where means in the adipose tissue, and increases the see here, and increases the circulatory levels and free fatty acids on their oxidation. Okay, this growth hormone promotes lipolysis. Means lipid lysis means breakdown. Further breakdown of lipids in the where means in the adipose tissue, and increases the circulatory levels or free fatty acids on their oxidation. Okay. Next, let us discuss about effects on mineral metabolism. Okay. Growth hormone promotes bone mineralization and its growth as clearly observed in the growing children. Okay. Growth hormone promotes bone mineralization and its growth as క్లియర్లీ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రోయింగ్ చిల్డ్రన్. దాని యొక్క గ్రోత్ అనేది ఎక్కువ చిల్డ్రన్ లో చూస్తూ ఉంటాం అన్నమాట. గ్రోత్ హార్మోన్ కాజెస్ పాజిటివ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ మినరల్స్, కాల్షియం, phosphate, magnesium, etc. It also promotes the retention of sodium, potassium, chloride ions in the body. Okay. Now let us discuss about prolactin. Prolactin is also called as lactogenic hormone. Okay. Um, this lactogenic hormone, okay, prolactin is also called lactogenic hormone. Not only lactogenic hormone, luteotropic hormone, mammaliopin, and luterotropics. Okay, prolactin is produced by lactotropes, which is nothing but the acidophilic cells of anterior pituitary. Okay, this prolactin is produced by lactotropes, nothing but the acidophilic cells of anterior pituitary. Okay. Next,